First thing you want to do is get the engine in top dead center. So to do that, you need to basically take the spark plugs out. Tip to how to tell you on top dead center. The exhaust cam and the intake cam should both be facing out in the front of cylinder 1, so they should be pointing outward. So now, since I got that out the way, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the valve cover. So basically, bolts that's around it, and over here, and then 3 in the middle. So you basically take all the bolts around the valve cover plus the 3 in the middle, and you this one. Taking off this one right here. Take off all these bolts around the headers. Alright, so to take off the header, you probably won't be able to take off this bolt back here that runs on the EGR valve. So what you want to do is go over here and take off, take off the 3 bolts in here where my finger is at, and plus this one right there. And this will be able to just basically take off the EGR valve off the intake. And once you do that, you can wiggle this around. Then over here, you can pull this back.
Yeah, I got you.
And that'll come right off on this side, so you'll be done with this side. So I'll disconnect all this stuff here, and the ones here. Two bolts right here on the ferrule rail, so you want to go ahead and take these 2 bolts off. They're 12. it's a bolt underneath here that you gotta get to, and plus these 2 bolts on top. Alright, once you got this bolt off right here, it sits on the ferrule line. Disconnect this little holes right there. Take the focus. And that should come off. Alright, so what you want to do next is you want to go ahead and take off these bolts around this front cover and pry here. You just want to pull it back like this on both ends, and this cover to come off. So the bolts are around it right here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 bolts that's around this cover. Alright, now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and take off these 2 bolts right here. That's on the tensioner. Get that to focus. These 2 bolts right here on the tensioner. So they're 10 millimeters. Yeah. Just keep tapping. I see this side moving. Then you gotta do the other side.
Yeah, that one.
Then you can take it off.
Where you want to sit this?
You will need some zip ties so you can zip tie the chain up. You want to go ahead and take these off, but remember the numbers. They have numbers on them anyway, so if you don't remember, just read them and you can tell what's what. What I'm going to do now is just go ahead and take this off. And this will come off like this, and I'm going to just put these back on so I can remember the number. Alright, once you got the bolts out, you can go ahead and lift this up.
Hold up. You going up? Are you going up? Yeah.
So it's all set.
Hold up. I gotta get this bottom side on first. Alright. Hey, look.
So by now you should have the head off and should be exposed to this head gasket. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely sand it down.